Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, July the 26th. Time for Sudoku fitness, yes. And the second Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku. And for 4 stars Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more to solve, and this 4 star Sudoku will be number 3153. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Yes, 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. I see 3 8s, 3 4s, 3 9s, 3 1s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 5s, 2 2s. Could be a hard one. No 4 numbers. No digits with 4 numbers. Okay, 3 9s. Okay. So I need to use pairs. So let me scan the puzzles. 7. Alright. 8, 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square. So no 9 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. 6, 3, 7. So what are those missing numbers in this row? The 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1 3 6. 1 3 6. That means the other 3 numbers 1 3 6 are the 8, the 2, and the 7. 7 7. Yeah, the 7. We see here a 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. I'm thinking. 6 3 7. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 8 8, yes. In the first row, we have now 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see another 8 there, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. We have a pair. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here. No, not between, column next. The column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. Alright. So what are those 3 missing numbers? Again, the 1 is missing, 3 is missing, and a 6. 136. 136, that means 1 digit left. In this big square here, we have 8 and a 7. The 2 is missing. The 2 is missing. Okay. Then. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. Okay. So we have an 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. The second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Yeah. Okay. Six in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then 7. Alright. Yeah. We have a 1 in the last column. 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column. 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Well, another 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 6 and 3. 3. Okay. And now. Well. 1, 3, and a 6. Okay. Think. Come on. 5. No 5. 3, 5. 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and a 4. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 5 is missing. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. So now we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be here. Yeah. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Number 2. All right. Then. Okay. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 3 in a column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 1 box left in this last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Correct. Alright, 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 5 and a 7 in this row, 5 and a 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 7 as a pair should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes, as a pair, 7 and a 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. What are those 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 2 numbers in this big square, the other pair, are the numbers 1 and the 6. 1 and a 6, okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row. Here we have 1 and a 6, so the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and a 4. No, I cannot fill this yet. A lot of pairs. Okay. 1, 6, 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Now I have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3 and a 4. Now I have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, and the 5 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5 here. We have a pair. Okay. Do I have all the 4s? No. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Did you know 3, number 4? Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 3 and 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1, 2, and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9. No. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes in this row? The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We share 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Well, actually, it's the 169. We have a 1. In this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6. Alright, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers are 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku. 50 minutes, this one, 60 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars Sudoku? No, it's a 2 stars. Rather a 2 stars, yes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today in this additional 8 tectonic with 1 star. Try this one. If you can think logical, then you like this one. Yes, 8 tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.